Hi, I'm Michelle, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Hi, this is Russ Festino with another great episode of Russ Cam. And here we are this week in Southern California at the SoCal Code Camp. Lots of great interviews, lots of great content, lots of attendees here at the event.
We've been doing this for now a good 6-7 years, right?
Oh, yeah?
So this is our 6th annual, I believe, here, or 7th annual here in Fullerton, and we do it twice a year.
Yeah.
And now there's a third in LA for the
Yeah.
last few years too. So we're pretty successful down here. We have a lot of people, like several hundred always show up.
We were chatting about Patrick Hines last night at the
Yes.
speaker dinner.
My podcast partner.
That's right. So why don't you talk about your show a little bit?
Well, we have a security podcast. It's called Lockdown Podcast. It's been slow moving, we're just sort of getting ramped up, but our passions are security. I mean, at least, both of us have a pretty deep background in security, so we talk to people that know more than us about different things, and we try to sort of just probe and get some good knowledge sort of exchange with the people that listen, and we're building it up right now. We're definitely getting a lot of followers already starting, so it's good.
The event has been fantastic. It's been running really smoothly. Cal State Fullerton, who hosts us here, has just done their normal bang-up job. We have a new volunteer coordinator who's done great. So, I mean, all I do is make sure the website's turned on and everybody else does all the hard work, so I love it.
Yeah, and you got a lot of great sponsors here at the event, right?
Yes, we do. We have GrapeCity, and we've had you guys sponsor before, but I think this is the first time you've sent somebody.
See?
So I'm really glad. This is going to be the biggest geek dinner that we've ever done, and so far the numbers look like this is going to be the biggest attendance we've ever done either.
Wow, what kind of numbers are you looking at?
Well, early indicators are saying that we'll probably hit 600 to 700 just today. And tomorrow, I'll bet you we'll maybe be half of that, or maybe a little more. So we may, in true uniques, wind up hitting 1,000 people.
Oh, that's awesome.
That would be the biggest in SoCal so far. I had a lot of problems with, managing my to-do list and my tasks and all this, and I actually went to a bar camp one time and saw a lady talk about the getting things done methodology, and I went home and I read the book, and I've been a huge advocate ever since, and I give the talk almost every code camp I go to.
Wow.
Just because it's a nice, easy talk, but also a lot of people have gotten a lot of positive feedback. Thank you, and thank GrapeCity.
Yeah.
You guys are fantastic, great community supporters, great tools. Definitely check them out.
I think it's a great event, and I always hear members coming up to me and attendees coming up to me with appreciation because this is a great event and it's free for anyone that's attending. And an event like this, a collaborative learning environment, really is such a great thing for people that are in a very progressive field like in software and development. The SoCal part of SoCal Code Camp.
That's it.
Here it is.
That's it.
80 degrees.
Sunny, man.
I'm so sorry, Minnesota. I'm so sorry.
What was the title of your session?
How to make millions using Windows Phone.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. You packed the house. It was standing room only.
A lot of people are interested in how to. A lot of people I noticed that are not aware of Microsoft ads and how to make money off of the ad.
Yeah.
They try to understand it. So it's a very eye-opening experience for them.
I got to tell you, right here is the Marriott. And right there is the venue. I mean, this is perfect.
And the bar is right here.
Yeah, the bars are right here. That's right. We're having lunch here at this burger place. You guys do a lot of things right, I tell you. This is a really great conference. A lot of good, I'd say a good breadth of technology, is represented
we actually
there.
try to grow that more. So, a lot of times I think it's a Microsoft Code Camp conference.
Yeah.
And so every year we try to get more competing technologies to come and present and stuff.
How are you enjoying this Code Camp so far?
I'm enjoying it immensely.
Yeah.
Actually, I've had less duties at this Code Camp, so
you can take back and soak it all in.
More. Yep,
yeah.
Absolutely.
We had some good attendance at the event too yesterday, right?
Yeah, because we had probably 550 developers come through yesterday, and probably another 400 today.
Yeah.
Sunday, I'm going to have a session at 1:45 from Code Monkey to CEO, Leadership 101, and the second session is Innovation Literacy that starts at 3 p.m.
Well, that sounds great. I especially am interested in that Code Monkey to CTO. Is that what you
CEO.
said?
CEO.
Yeah.
Hey, go for the top. Don't stop at CTO.
Oh, okay. Go all the way up.
All the way up, man. Shoot for the stars.
Hey, hold that shirt up one more time there. That GVTV
Oh yeah, look
shirt.
at me. See?
Right there. Oh,
I'm a hero.
So, what are you thinking of this Code Camp so far, huh?
Loving it. I mean, this is our third year sponsoring this one.
Yeah?
We sponsor of Code Camps all around Southern California.
Looks like you have a steady stream of traffic over at your booth over there.
Oh, it is. I mean, definitely. The way it's set up is so nice, right?
Yeah.
People have to go in and out to get to the classroom. So,
yeah.
You know, we always have having people throughout the day.
How are you liking this Code Camp? What do you think?
This is my first time, and everything is so fresh.
Yeah.
And the people are awesome. And the audience, the people who come here to learn, so knowledgeable.
Yeah.
My name is Elmer Thomas. I'm a developer evangelist with SendGrid. SendGrid makes sure that your emails don't go into spam. We replace your email infrastructure.
So, Elmer, now there's an Elmer Fudd, isn't there?
There's an Elmer Fudd, but I've never hunted a wabbit in my life.
Okay.
If you are a Microsoft Azure user, you get 25,000 free emails from SendGrid.
Now, you actually just started out a couple years ago, did you not? Or?
Yes, SendGrid is a Techstars company, started in Boulder, Colorado with 3 guys. Today, we're approaching 70.
That's awesome.
We just raised our second round, $21 million.
Woo.
And we're aggressively hiring, so any talented people out in the Orange County area. Our technical staff is based in Anaheim. Our business unit is in Boulder. So if you're interested in any of those places, we're aggressively hiring right now.
We started a couple of years ago the INETA Component Code Challenge.
Yeah.
And that's a contest that goes through every year where people can use components to develop cool software, and then we get some cool people to evaluate the solutions you come up with. And you can win things like trips to Tech Ed and all kinds of other good stuff that help you to further your development endeavors and learn more from others.
That's really cool. Thanks for being on Russ Cam.
Good to see you, Russ. Take care. Here they come. Here they come.
This episode of Russ Cam is brought to you by Active Analysis from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Active Analysis. It's a custom control that is a totally self-contained business intelligence application. A developer can just go in the application, connect it to our data, give it to a business guy, and they can slice and dice and look and graph and OLAP their way to happiness.
Active Analysis from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Smarter components for smarter developers.
Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news. Plus, follow us on Twitter and Facebook.